Hi guys, Dorota International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today we are gonna be playing with some transfer foil. Have a preview of it in here. I love using a transfer foil for a nail art as you can achieve a really beautiful results in a quick and efficient way, and I hope you really enjoy watching this tutorial. If you're new in here, hit the subscribe button guys, we've got over 1000 videos in here. And to you guys, thank you so much for watching, commenting, sharing and leaving all those likes on this channel. Let's start. Look guys how pretty it is, but it's also so easy that even Patrick could do it, I'm sure for that. So let's start this tutorial, and the stuff you are gonna need is our amazing transfer foil gel. Guys, if you don't have it, just go into our website and grab it. For those of you who have tried it, you know guys how easy it is to work with. So what I'm doing is I'm just applying a messy, like really messy amount right in the middle of the tip, and I'm gonna cure it 30 seconds. Do exactly the same in this one, and honestly you don't need any skills to be able to create designs with it. And then cure this one as well. When my tips are cooking, I'm gonna grab the transfer foils, and we've got those ones, so I choose the blue ones. They're really delicate and nice flowers. I'm just gonna cut a small piece of it, and another one for the second tip. You could probably do it with the one. I just like to pick up a specific type of flowers. And then my first tip is ready. And I'm gonna transfer the flowers which are just in the middle here. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing the transfer foil over it, and I'm just massaging it. I mean, obviously the longer time you will spend, the better transfer you will get. For this design, I'm not too bothered because we apply also some glitter over it, but it's just so easy. And then grab another one. With this gel, you could get a full coverage like on the entire nails as well. It works magic on the clients. Let's do on this one. So I'm just searching for a place which I really want to transfer. As you can see it, you don't really need much of a skills to be able to create those designs. If you get those kind of lines, like what ideally you want to do it is you want to iron them in, just like this. And this way you will get a better coverage. I'm not too fast for this design, so there we are. That's will do. Put it on the side, and then I'm gonna grab our French gel and a watercolor brush to do some fading. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just applying the French gel around it. Again, look that you don't need skill for it. I'm just applying it messy. And I'm doing so in here. Apply it nice and messy. It's just so we can kind of blend the things together. And for that, I'm gonna use a piece of the sponge, which I've gotten here. And just dab that in. So remove any fluff which you might have on the sponge. You don't want to transfer that. And look what I'm doing is I'm kind of making this background to be more delicate and more blended. Even if you go over the rows, like in here, this is absolutely fine. I think it just looks better because it's stronger. It gives like a stronger blend. Just gonna grab a touch more in here. And then give it a cure. Blend it here. Go over those flowers. And make our blue softer. That one will look so pretty. Again, touch it more. Just in here. And then cure it. Then using the ombre brush, I will just apply some glitter. And I choose actually both of them because I think they look so pretty. So I've got some green. I'm just touching it. and the orange, like kind of mix them both together. And because the glitter is so fine, I don't have to file it, and I don't have to put lots of product over it to cover it. Straight away, I'm going with the top coat, and I've got usually like a messy top coat. There we are. So like I would always store a kind of top coat which I can dip in with the glitter. And I'm just covering everything. So the rose has got some sparkles. I'm trying to kind of have just a little bit sparkle on the roses and then more on the white parts. Okay, touch it in here as well with some glitter. Maybe more of an orange one now. And if you rub it in for a longer time, it gives you a different effect than when you just dab it. So depending on like how you could also use it as a sugar. So depending on what effect you want to achieve, you will use it slightly different. Top coat it again. So like on the top, you can see I've got kind of almost mermindy effect in there. But it can be also used as a sugar or as a loose glitter. I love when you can use one thing for multiple things, because save you so much space on your desk, and I'm always thinking of the space. Perfect. Now it's a time to do a next step, to blend the things further. I mean, it looks nice even just like this, to be honest, and anyone can do it. Honestly, guys, believe me. But next step is to grab a drop of our transfer foil gel again. And then I'm just gonna clean my D-liner brush, and we'll do some gold frame. You could do it in silver as well. I just choose gold, like, I don't know, I quite like gold. I need to make this tip more secure. There we are. I'm using a blue tack to secure them in. And then I'm just going very wavy around my tip. Nice and wavy. Again, you could kind of almost do it with the closed eyes. You can go over the same place as you did it and then cure 30 seconds. Thinner, thicker really doesn't matter as much. You can see it, my brush is even splitting a little bit, but I still carry on because I think it will look even prettier because of it. There we are. Yeah, I actually really love that split in there. Perfect, and then cure it. Clean my brush so it doesn't split anymore. And then grab the gold transfer foil. And I choose a pale gold. It's just a nice shade, like it's not too yellow. And for this gel, you don't have to clean it, you don't have to do anything. It just works like for anyone, even if the foil isn't cleaned, even if you touch the gel, even if you clean it with the blue scrub, it would still work. Okay, that's me happy with this one. Let's apply it on the other one. And I would say it's really quick design as well, like really quick. Search some space where I've got foil. There we are. Happy with that, happy with that. Okay, our next step, I mean, it looks nice just the way it is, but I want to blend the things further. So what I'm gonna do is I will just grab some drop of the red, just like a wee tiny drop of the red. We can grab the pink, 238, really nice color. White, of course, and some green. Green, 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 where are you? Okay, I've got some green in here. And this one is a Lucky Clover 241. So what I want to do it now is, I didn't clean my brush, like it has some white and red on it. I'm just gonna paint rounded ugly shape in here, another rounded ugly shape in there, and straight away, just because I've got this color on my brush, I will do it here and there. Okay, so basically you want to paint like a messy splash, red color to darken your green. Okay, like we cannot use pure green because it will look really odd, and I'm just painting some leaves with the liner brush. Some leaves in here. Look, they even like almost browny color, but that's kind of colors which we've got on the transfer foil. So you want to really do them quite nice and dirty. Do it in here. Basically, it's a shake of the brush what I'm doing. Other side. Let's do one more in here. Clean my brush now, and we are gonna dip it in the white. Okay. What you want to do is now, from this splash, we want to create the rose. And what I'm gonna do is I will just go like round, 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 round. Start in the middle and just twist your brush, like even if your hand shake, even if the brush flick, it is absolutely fine. You'll still get a really nice and pretty rose. There is no easiest way of painting like a small roses. Okay, so sometimes the brush can flick, but that's absolutely fine. Give it a cure. Clean my brush, then do the same in here. I'm just doing rounded shape. Like the more your hand shakes, actually, guys, the nicer rose you will get. Let's cook it. And then apply the top coat, and I can show you the design which we have created. I hope you have really enjoyed it and liked it, because it was super easy, but quite effective looking nail. And if you did enjoy it, please, please, pretty please hit the share button for me, so the videos can have a little bit more reach than the last few. We kind of try to get a bit more excitement when we're putting the video up, like checking the views and everything. And of course, I do appreciate every single comment you leave under the videos as well. Like, it's a really pleasure to read them. Together with Patrick, like, you know, we will grab some cake, coffee, and we'll read all the comments you are leaving to us. So let me show you the entire look. They're really romantic, like they could do for so many different occasions. Really pretty, and I love how they came up. It was such a random idea, like I don't know why, like it was just like I was playing and I thought like, okay, let's do that. But yeah, they look really stunning. Yeah, I'm sending you glittery hacks, and bye for now.